Hi there, today we're making a pasta carbonara. I've got my ingredients on the side here. I've got my mushrooms, which I've washed. I've taken the core off and sliced. I've got my chopped ham here. I've got some penne pasta, it's about 400 grams there. I've got some dried cheese sauce mix, which you can add to water, or you can use a bit of milk and water, or just milk. And I've got my onions and my garlic, which I'm going to chop in a moment. The onion, you can use a red onion or a white onion, whatever you prefer really. The red onion's a little bit stronger, and obviously they've got the colour to them as well. So. And a medium onion should be sufficed. Large onions are just too big sometimes. So I've got my onion done there. I'm going to put my pan on. Add my oil to the pan. And I'm going to add the onions to that. Garlic, I've peeled them, I'm going to crush them and add them to my onions. And we're going to cook that a bit until golden brown. The onions could be quite strong if you cook it a little bit tearful during this session. And those are almost done now. I'm going to add my mushrooms. And my water's almost to the boil, so I'm going to add my pasta to that. While my mushrooms are cooking, I'm going to make my sauce up. The water or milk and water, or the milk has come to the boil. I'm going to use a whisk on this. If it's stainless steel, it's fine to use a whisk. And add the cheese sauce mix to that. The mushroom's almost cooked, so I'm going to add my ham to that. And a little bit of salt and pepper, just to give a bit of seasoning to it. cheese all sticking up nicely. And we're going to add that to our mushrooms, onions, garlic and the ham. This is a very quick and tasty meal. If the sauce is a bit thick, you can add a bit of boiling water from the pasta just to make it a bit thinner. My pasta's ready now, so I'm going to strain it off. I like it slightly undercooked, slightly chewy. But obviously that's your preference. So I've got my strained off pasta in my pan. And I'm going to add my sauce to the pan. And give it a good stirring once it's all in. Get our plates out. Let's dish that up straight away. And there you have it, pasta carbonara.